Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft is using a little scare tactic today, mentioning that you have not enrolled in security updates, you don't care, and you just leave Windows 10 the way it is without getting any future security updates, that a potential disaster is waiting to happen. And of course, this has to do with the fact that as Windows 10 will now go unattended if you didn't enroll into security updates, yes, more and more security flaws will be exploited. And this means that as time goes by, Windows 10 is more and more of the danger. Of course, there are mitigations in there. There's Microsoft did say that the Windows Security app will be updated until with the latest security patches for malware up to 2028. Also, as long as the browser you're using is also being updated, that keeps a lot of the problems away, especially the browser, because it will basically try to prevent and block any attempt to get into Windows. But still, it is true that it is a security hazard, and anybody that is using a out-of-date operating system that didn't have any security updates for a long time is in danger, and thinking that it's not true is not really understanding security. Once again, updates are way more important than the antivirus that you're using. So this is, it has some truth to it. They, of course, are pushing it to the max because they want you to move to Windows 11 or at least enroll in the extended support for security updates. But, there is some truth to it, and I would not run a Windows operating system that has no patches for a long time. It is easy to exploit after a while. But once again, it is really, there are some mitigation that is lowering the effects of this, but still you don't want to be out there without security patches, that's for sure. So it's a warning that Microsoft is issuing today, and of course they are using a scare tactic also to probably have people that, just didn't enroll and don't really care, kind of wanting to move them to Windows 11 at some point with a new PC, probably, because most of the people that stay on Windows 10 are incapable of going on Windows 11, although there's a lot of people that actually went to extended support on compatible PCs, but that just want to keep Windows 10 for another year at least. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.